Hello everyone. If you're a self-proclaimed foodie like myself, laboqueria in Barcelona, Spain is the place for you. Here, they have everything you could possibly desire. Here I am. There are meats. That's our group getting ready to go tackle laboqueria. Fruit stands, more fruit, nuts, fresh seafood, olive bars, meat of all sorts, as well as prepared foods like chips or beverages such as wine. You can tackle any of your culinary desires at La Boqueria. Many of the things will be new to you, such as a sheep's head or tripe of some sort. You'll also see some sights there like gigants, more fresh fish that they show you before they prepare, lovely peppers that are roasted, and even the receipts are fabulously displayed. This is a great visit if you ever decide to try something new to eat. Last but not least, you'll have great snacks such as candies and other pastries. Hope you get to go.